To use Screencast-O-Matic, it is a great tool to use on PCs or Mac. So what you will do is actually go to Screencast-O-Matic to be able to find the software. And at first, you will come to this page, and when you click Start Recording, it will bring you here where you'll have to download software. And once it's downloaded, it will appear on your desktop. All you have to do is come back to the web page and click this little box right here, and it will take you out, and it will launch the program to be able to start recording. Once you start recording, you can go over any type of screen that you would like to, as I'm doing right now, and showing you how to actually record a screencast. And you click up in the top left hand side that says record, and you're recording the whole time. It's that simple and easy.